Hey friends, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a DIY fabric softener. I guess I'm calling it a fabric softener dryer bomb. I don't know. But what you do, I got all of this stuff at the Dollar Tree and I'm just taking the two sponges and I'm going to cut them in half. These dryer bombs are going to take the place of dryer sheets that you would be putting in your dryer or fabric softener that you would be putting in your washer. So once I cut all of the sponges in half, I just set them up vertically in this container that I got at Dollar Tree. And then I am going to take this fabric softener, also from Dollar Tree, and pouring it over those sponges. Dollar Tree had a couple different kinds of fabric softener. I just got the one that I liked the smell of the best. And I just dumped the entire contents, fit perfectly into this jar. They had a couple different jars that I could have used at the Dollar Tree. I liked this one because it just felt like the lid was tighter on it versus the other jars that I saw. And the last step that I'm going to do is I'm just taking these labels that I also got from Dollar Tree and I'm just putting a title on it with a Sharpie. I'm just writing fabric softener dryer bombs so I can attach it to the front of the jar. It's also probably a good idea to put the month that you poured your fabric softener into this. This is going to last for a really long time, so just knowing how long that fabric softener has been in the jar will be helpful to know. And there is my pretty little label. And I'm just going to take that off and it sticks right to the jar. Woo, a little bit out of focus here, but stick with me, it gets better. You obviously don't need to label the jar because you'll know what's in it. I just thought it looked prettier and you could most certainly print something out and tape it to your jar too. And this is how it looks all done down in my laundry room, my fabric softener dryer bombs. And they'll just sit here on my dryer, ready to go whenever I need one. And all you have to do to use one is take out your sponge and wring it out as good as you can. And then you just toss it into your dryer, just like you would toss a dryer sheet. Then you just run your dryer. The clothes came out smelling really great. Then you can take that same sponge and pop it right back in your jar and have a bunch of them ready to go whenever you need them. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our DIYs. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried this hack. Thanks, guys. Bye.